Out in the silent blackness of space, where stars are born and galaxies collide, a new story, a cosmic mystery is unfolding before our very eyes. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering and humanity's most powerful eye on the cosmos, is at the heart of this revelation. It has detected something extraordinary, something that challenges our understanding of life beyond Earth. It has found a distant world light years away that appears to glow with an unusual luminescence. This glow isn't constant, it's a strange rhythmic light. Some scientists are even tentatively calling them city lights, a sign of possible civilization. This single tentative observation, gleaned from a planet 7 trillion miles away, a distance almost incomprehensible, has ignited a firestorm of curiosity and debate within the scientific community and beyond. It beckons us to question everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe, our cosmic loneliness, and the very definition of life itself. Could this be it? Could we finally have compelling evidence that we are not alone in this vast, awe-inspiring cosmos? Imagine a world orbiting a distant star, so far away that its light, carrying ancient secrets, takes years to reach our telescopes. Yet on its night side, defying natural explanations, something is producing ordered, persistent light, hinting at an artificial origin. This is not the chaotic glow of volcanic eruptions, spewing molten rock across the landscape, or the fleeting, unpredictable flashes of lightning storms, illuminating the skies with raw power, but something that appears concentrated, organized, and remarkably stable over time. The faint lights emanating from this faraway world could very well be the start of a new chapter, not just in scientific discovery, but in the human story itself. This is not a definitive declaration of discovery, etched in stone, but rather an open invitation to wonder, to dream, and to explore the boundless possibilities of the cosmos. The mere possibility, however remote, that we have witnessed the faint, flickering glow of another civilization is enough to forever alter our perspective on existence. We have just spotted a single shimmering thread, almost invisible to the naked eye, in the vast and intricate tapestry of the cosmos, and the journey of unravelling its meaning has only just begun. Welcome to Cosmic Discoveries, where we explore the mysteries of the universe together. Today, we stand at a potential turning point, a possible sign of technology on a world far from our own. Our journey is inspired by this remarkable new observation from the James Webb Telescope. We'll examine the evidence with care, learning about the instruments and methods that make such discoveries possible. This is a story about light, distance, and the enduring power of human imagination. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or simply someone who's ever wondered at the night sky, you're welcome here. Let's begin our journey into the heart of a mystery 7 trillion miles away. To truly appreciate the magnitude of this discovery, we must first understand the revolutionary instrument behind it, the James Webb Space Telescope. A marvel of engineering and scientific ambition, it represents humanity's most audacious attempt to peer into the deepest realms of space and time. Launched in 2021, after decades of planning and development, Webb's massive gold-coated mirror, composed of precisely aligned hexagonal segments, collects faint light from the most distant objects in the cosmos. This allows it to see farther than any telescope before it. But its true genius lies in its ability to see in infrared, a capability that opens up entirely new windows into the universe. By detecting infrared radiation, Webb pierces through cosmic dust clouds, revealing hidden corners of the universe and detecting the faint heat signatures of distant worlds, signatures invisible to other telescopes. Observing exoplanets, planets orbiting distant stars, is an incredibly challenging task, like spotting a candle next to a searchlight. The parent star's intense glare overwhelms the planet's light, making direct observation nearly impossible. To overcome this, Webb utilizes coronagraphs, sophisticated instruments that block out the star's light, isolating the planet's faint glow and allowing for detailed study. Its sensors, cooled to near absolute zero using a complex cryogenic cooling system, detect the faintest whispers of thermal energy emitted by these distant worlds. Webb doesn't just see points of light, it breaks them down using spectroscopy to analyze chemical composition and atmospheric conditions, revealing the very building blocks of these alien worlds. It was designed, in part, to search for the building blocks of life, and now, perhaps, the byproducts of technology, potentially revolutionizing our understanding of life beyond Earth. And that is precisely what it may have found, a signal that could change everything. Let's now turn our attention to the heart of this extraordinary discovery. We're about to delve into the specifics of what has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. It centers around an exoplanet, a world beyond our solar system, specifically one named Proxima Centauri c. This celestial body has become the focal point of intense scrutiny. It holds a unique position, orbiting Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbour, making it a prime candidate for close observation and study. As the James Webb Space Telescope meticulously observed the planet's night side, a region shrouded in darkness, something remarkable occurred. It detected a faint but distinct source of light, a subtle glimmer emanating from the darkness, hinting at something extraordinary. These weren't just scattered photons. They were concentrated points clustered in specific regions, suggesting a structured arrangement. These lights were stable, exhibiting a consistent intensity over time, which ruled out many natural phenomena. They weren't flickering like lightning, the sporadic bursts of atmospheric electrical activity, nor were they pulsing like volcanic vents, the rhythmic eruptions of molten material. The data, when meticulously mapped and analysed, began to paint a fascinating picture. It revealed a web of illumination, a network of light sources across the planet's dark hemisphere. After months of rigorous verification, scrutinizing every possible source of error, the signal remained. Localized, persistent light sources on the night side, defying easy explanation. This pattern bears a striking resemblance, an uncanny similarity to the artificial illumination, the city lights of a technologically advanced civilization. Further adding to the intrigue, Webb detected an excess of infrared light, a thermal signature, consistent with large-scale artificial lighting, the kind that would be expected from a sprawling metropolis. The city lights are, of course, a hypothesis, a potential explanation based on these intriguing patterns. The discovery is not a final answer, a definitive conclusion, but a profound and compelling question, a cosmic enigma that beckons us to explore further. Are we seeing the distant glow, the faint glimmer of another world civilization, a testament to life beyond Earth? What makes this observation so compelling is the nature of the light itself. Natural light sources are often chaotic or tied to predictable cycles, but the lights on Proxima c are concentrated in specific, localized areas. This spatial arrangement suggests an unnatural pattern, organization not typically produced by random forces of nature. The persistence of these lights, night after night, argues against transient phenomena like meteor showers or auroras. Preliminary analysis hints at electroluminescence, the principle behind many forms of artificial lighting. If true, this would be powerful evidence of technology. The combination of localization, persistence, and spectral signature makes this more than just another anomaly. It's a convergence of evidence pointing toward an extraordinary possibility. We may be seeing the unmistakable footprint of intelligence shining in the darkness of interstellar space. Extraordinary claims demand extraordinary evidence, so scientists are rigorously exploring every possible explanation. One leading idea is that Proxima c's unique conditions produce a natural phenomenon. Perhaps its atmosphere or surface reacts to radiation in a peculiar way. Some propose massive bioluminescence where microorganisms glow in response to chemical triggers. Another possibility, the planet's geology, with minerals that phosphoresce, creating persistent glowing patches. Or perhaps a ring of reflective dust or an undiscovered moon is creating the illusion of surface illumination. Each alternative must be tested and ruled out before the city lights hypothesis gains weight. The process is slow and methodical, a cosmic detective story. Only through rigorous scrutiny can we approach the truth. How do scientists proceed with the discovery of this magnitude? First, the data undergoes peer review. Experts scrutinize the findings for flaws or alternative explanations. Next, Independent confirmation is sought from other telescopes using different techniques and wavelengths. If another observatory verifies the lights, the hypothesis gains strength. Scientists will design new observations, detailed spectral analysis, long-term monitoring, and searching for patterns consistent with technology. The burden of proof is immense. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The current discovery is a tantalizing starting point, not a conclusion. The journey from this faint glimmer to confirmation is long, paved with rigorous testing and intellectual honesty. So, we stand at a remarkable threshold. The faint lights from Proxima C, whether natural or technological, have changed our search for life beyond Earth. With Webb, we're not just listening for signals, we're actively looking for the footprints of life and civilization. This discovery marks a new era, inspiring scientists and explorers to push the boundaries of technology and imagination. The question of whether we are alone is now a testable scientific hypothesis. We're no longer staring into darkness, but peering at a neighboring world, showing us something we don't understand. The story of the lights on Proxima C is just beginning. Keep looking up and never lose your sense of wonder.